Being involved in any accident is traumatizing, regardless of the severity. One of the most common accidents witnessed today are hit and runs. They are caused by negligent drivers, who inadvertently run into a car, or a pedestrian, and then flee. By leaving the scene of the accident and not rendering assistance to the victim, they have broken the law. What then should be your course of action if you are a victim in a hit-and-run accident? 1. Check if you're okay. The first thing you ought to do is to check yourself for injury. Seek medical assistance immediately should you sustain head injuries. 2. Contact the authorities. Inform the authorities, and police, promptly. Describe the accident briefly and clearly to the police. Provide the details of the accident when they arrive. Do not pursue the driver even if you are uninjured. The police will take care of it, so long as you remember the details and description of the vehicle that fled the scene. 3. Gather evidence. Since you will need to make a claim, evidence is needed to show that you were not at fault. One would assume that the very act of fleeing by the irresponsible driver was an admission of guilt, but that is not always the case. If any witnesses saw what happened, take down their names and contact details, in case you need them to testify what they witnessed. Collect the details of the car, such as its color, make, year and license plate. It would go a long way in helping the police to apprehend the reckless hit-and-run driver. 4. Contact your insurance company or lawyer. It is advisable to contact your insurance company promptly if the accident is not too serious. This cuts down the wait time for compensation and you will be able to put the accident behind you. With an uninsured motorist coverage, you will be compensated even if the driver is not found. Alternatively, you can file a personal injury lawsuit, more so if you sustain some serious injuries that will keep you off work, and cost you a significant amount in medical fees. To make the claim, you need the counsel of an injury lawyer. Do note that if you decide to claim from insurance, you relinquish the right to sue the irresponsible hit-and-run driver. So, if the accident is deemed severe enough, contact your personal injury attorney promptly at the scene of the accident. Some victims prefer meeting the costs of repair to their vehicles, as making a claim would affect their policies, by increasing the amount they pay in premiums. But this is something you shouldn't hurry to do, more so if you feel that some justice is owed. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.